Looking for professional dolly zoom? Mavic 2 Zoom can do it. Mavic 2 Series Tutorial. Dolly Zoom Tutorial. Only for the Mavic 2 Zoom. It is recommended to shoot the video when the foreground is far from the background, as this helps to create a distinct dolly zoom effect. Fly your drone to a suitable place to capture the subject. In the DJI Go 4 app, open the Intelligent Flight menu and enter Quick Shot mode. Choose Dolly Zoom, choose the subject on the screen, and tap Go to start shooting. The Mavic 2 will focus on the targeted subject and slowly fly backward to 4 times the distance between the aircraft and subject. After the shooting is finished, the aircraft will return to the starting point and create the video automatically. Now you know how to capture a dolly zoom shot with Mavic 2. Thank you for watching. Leave us a like if this video was useful for you. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.